Hello guys, in this video, I will show you Binance Withdrawal suspended. How to fix it fast. So, let's start the video. Sometimes you may see this error when trying to withdraw crypto or fiat, and it usually happens for security or technical reasons. The first thing to do is check if Binance has announced any temporary suspension for the specific coin or network you're using. Maintenance or network congestion often causes short delays, and withdrawals usually resume once the issue is resolved. If that's not the case, make sure your account is fully verified with completed KYC, since unverified accounts may face withdrawal limits or restrictions. Another common reason is security triggers, such as logging in from a new device or changing your password. In these cases, withdrawals are usually suspended for 24 hours as a safety measure. Simply wait for the security window to pass, then try again. If the suspension continues, contact Binance support through the Help Center. They can check if your account has any specific restrictions or if additional verification is needed. And that's it. By checking maintenance updates, verifying your account, waiting for security holds, and reaching out to support, you can fix the Binance withdrawal suspended issue. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.